பூமியும் அதன் நிறைவும் என்னுடையவைகளே. இயற்கையின் மேல் அதிகாரம் உள்ள ஆண்டவர் அனைத்து படைப்புகளையும் படைத்த சர்வ வல்ல தேவனை வரவேற்றும் நம் அனைவரையும் வரவேற்பதற்காக வெல்கம் டான்ஸ் பை ஸ்ரீ துளசி and Ashwita.
Jesus spoke these words, lifted up his eyes to heaven and said, Father, the hour is come. Glorify your Son, that your Son also may glorify you, as you have given him authority over all flesh, that he should give an eternal life, as you have given him. This is the eternal life, that he should give eternal life, that they know you only the true God, Jesus Christ, whom you have sent. I have glorified you on the earth. I have finished the work which you have given me to do. And now, O Father, glorify me together with yourself, with the glory which I had with you before the world was. Thank you. I wish you very merry, happy Christmas.
Sa